there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy 4-ingredient roast beef all right in your slow cooker. You can make this gluten-free too, and you can also make it in the Ninja Foodi using the slow cooker function as well. If you want to do that, you would leave the nozzle on the pressure cooker lid open or vented to do that in the slow cooker. So you're going to need a 3-pound beef chuck roast. We use a boneless beef chuck roast, 5 medium-sized potatoes, and we're going to dice those up, 8 ounces of baby carrots, and then a 12-ounce jar of beef gravy, or you can make your own gluten-free gravy as well. We usually use the gluten-free Pioneer brand and make it on the stove, and then I just pour 12 ounces of it over the chuck roast. So you can do that as well, which is what you see here. So you're going to spray the crock pot with cooking spray or line it with a liner and just add in your roast, your potatoes, carrots, and then just pour that gravy right over the roast. So that is what I am doing here. Super simple to make. This is a very basic beef pot roast, so you can make it in mere minutes basically. So I have that all ready to go here, and then I'm going to cover and cook this on low for 8 hours. So this is going to be what it looks like after 8 hours. And after it's fully cooked, the best thing to do here is to shred it up. It's going to be very easy to shred up because it's going to be very tender. And then just mix it all together. And you can use what's left in the crock pot as your gravy. You can even, if it's not thick enough for you, you can add in a little bit of cornstarch and thicken it up if you want. We've never had to do that. It's usually always thick enough, but it's totally up to you there. So I am just going to get that prepared, and I normally will plate this on a plate. And right here you can see this is stirred up. So this is what it looks like whenever it's all stirred up and the liquid really soaks back in. And so you can see that here. And then I'm just shredding it up, and then I usually will place it on a plate if we're going to serve it just like this, or you can have everyone just get some out of the crock pot. Very easy to make. So this is slow cooker 4-ingredient beef roast. It's a simple slow cooker pot roast. Perfect comfort meal for any day of the week. Remember that if you're doing this one in the Ninja Foodi, you will use the pressure cooker lid and you will keep that nozzle on vent the whole time. So you can find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Hope you enjoyed learning how to make this easy slow cooker beef roast. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next video.